Agency owners and business owners, I wanted to jump on here real quick to discuss a little bit about our latest build. So this build was done for an agency that works with doctors, and basically what happened is that this specific doctor has multiple locations. They're running multiple offers, meaning on the front end they're running different angles, like different types of services. They also have I believe it's 6 or 10 different locations, okay, with each about 3 to 5 receptionists in each location, okay. And what we just built is an AI that is going to be doing the job of every single one of those receptionists for these practices. And so we're looking at about 3 to 5 receptionists per practice. Call it 6 practices. Let's call it 18 receptionists that we're replacing with this AI. Now, what this AI is doing is it's basically following up with every single lead that's coming into the business. It doesn't matter what location it's coming into, doesn't matter what ad it's coming from. The AI will be trained on every single one of those ads, every single one of the locations, everything about the business, everything that we need the AI to know to be able to do this follow-up like a human does, if anything, better than a human does. And so what then it does is it goes ahead and qualifies the individual or disqualifies the individual based on the service that they're coming in for, and then the criteria is necessary to get them qualified. Now, if they're qualified, then great. Then we'll go ahead and book them into an appointment, and then go ahead and get a payment collected from them via AI to go ahead and get that appointment locked in. But we also have a setup where if the individual, let's say, is qualified but doesn't want to move forward with the appointment, etc., then we go ahead and disqualify the individual based on urgency. And then the other hand is, if let's say they are qualified, and then let's say they book but then they don't pay, we also automatically disqualify them and cancel out the booking. And so we're doing so much stuff with this AI to the point where even right after the payment is taken, we then push all that information over to the practice owner and to whoever's going to be doing the patient confirmations. And it's not only just the appointment time that's being sent over, it's the appointment time plus their payment information, plus all the contact information submitted, plus all the information gathered but from the conversation done by the AI. It will all be pushed over completely on autopilot to the end client. And so we're doing this with a combination of SMS as well as calling AI. It's a kind of a hybrid build, and it's all completely done on autopilot. And so it'll sort through the pipeline, it'll organize the pipeline based on where they are in the pipeline. And so at a 10,000-foot view, as a client or someone working the pipeline, you can always see at what point, where your leads are at, who are the lowest hanging fruit, who you should be calling today versus tomorrow. It's so visible and clear and transparent because we're using AI that now all this heavy lifting is completely done for this practice. So this practice is ecstatic. The owner is ecstatic. We just launched it in their first location, and we're working on this week to launch it into all the other ones. But we are super pumped because this client was having a bunch of trouble with their current receptionist team, not being consistent, not working after hours, not working weekends or holidays, and then taking their sweet time to follow up with the leads whenever they felt like it, whenever they had that downtime, which was costing them tons of opportunities, not including the ones that they were missing, missed calls, or the ones that weren't even called, period. So the opportunity cost comparative to what they paid for this AI is, it's not even realistic, okay? Because the amount of money they're burning every single month comparative to what it would cost to integrate AI is pennies on the dollar. So we're super excited about this build. It's probably the craziest build that I've ever done, but I'm super pumped. And this is laying the foundation for the future and for all of my clients and for anyone who's really wanting to take AI seriously and to the next level. So if you're interested in learning about what we do and how we do it, comment down below AI, and we'll discuss on a call, discuss about your business, your use case, talk about strategy, and then how it all would work if we were to decide to work together. So if that's something that you're interested in, comment down below AI, and I'll see you on the other side.